Hello everyone, I'm Arushi Srivastav along with my teammate Taha Ali from D.Y. Patil School of Architecture, Lohegaon, Pune. Our brief is to design a fashion academy and a textile hub. I would like to first brief about the site and the climate. The site is in Solapur. It is a northeast facing site. This is the existing structure. These are the existing roads which runs along the periphery. These are the existing trees which particularly are mango, badam and neem. These are the contour lines which run through the site ranging from 479 to 483 meters in levels. The sun is harsh from the northern direction in places situated above the Tropic of Cancer, and Solapur being one of them is the hottest during summers. The predominant winds are from the western side. The campus is divided into three major zones: the business, academic, and residential zone. Business in front would control and limit the traffic on the prior end and will not disturb the academic block. The concept was developed according to the brief. Since the students of the academic block are learning fashion, looking up to business, getting training, the higher position is given to the business block. It creates a wall between the academic and the outer rush of the main road. Next comes the academic on a level lower than the business block, and then the last, the residential. Our motive is to optimize levels to our requirements. The fashion arena is located in the core of the campus, as everything is all about campus at the end and to display the beautiful attires, and therefore the core activity resides in the core of the campus. Various strategies are also implicated according to the context of the site. We are going to reuse, renovate, and repurpose this block by blending it with our brief. Here we have used it as a hostel and amenities area for hostelers. As the region is a hot and arid one, the hot winds are a major problem. So all over the site we have used wind tunnel effect in one or the other way to cool the winds. For example, the hostel on the left block is lifted in on pillars which allow the winds to cool and flow throughout the complex. Here also you can see the passages are given for the wind to flow. The academic block is situated away from the periphery to avoid noise pollution, and all the buildings are oriented in a way that they get the views on the eastern side. The orientation of the building is also done to minimize the direct harsh sunlight coming from the north direction. The positioning of the buildings is such that they mutually shade each other, specifically the major interaction spaces. As you can see, this is the central plaza. These are the business areas. These are the hostel chill out areas. These are shaded ones, and these images you can observe the level differences. Now moving on to the master plan. Here is the entry to the site. Here you can see the green cover sloping down to the campus. Now moving on to the master plan. Here is the entry to the site, and as you enter, you see the green cover sloping downwards and the grand steps leading to the campus, more specifically here to the business hub. The steps come up to 2150 mm, approx 2 meter in height from ground level, and are also the depiction of a runway for flowy gowns and fashion show. On the upper level here we have the business hub, which opens on a see-through reception cum admin area, which gives way to this block on the left for important conferences and media coverage, and on the right for exhibition and retails. There is also a small cafe and lounge area, particularly for business essentials. Moving forward, the steps lead you to a 1400 mm above ground level to the central plaza, which is shaded by the fashion arena on the left. There is also a stage structure, a green room, and a sound room provided here for outdoor arena. To the right we have the academic block connected with the interaction spaces on the bottom and a food court on top. The following steps bring us to the ground level 0. To the right down the stairs we have an OAT for student gatherings and practices. The green cover you see here is for students to interact and for recreational spaces. To the left, we also have a sports facility area where there will be a badminton court and some more indoor sports. Straight up, we have a hostel block which is lifted one floor above the ground level to create wind tunnel effect, making its way to the site and cooling the complex. To the right from the hostel, we have principal and guest house. This is the site section in which you can see the levels and the heights of the blocks. These are some views. This is a circulation map of the campus. The campus is divided into vehicular and pedestrian zones. The road here are 7.5-meter wide and the circulation is two-way. The parking is provided on either side of the campus. The road on the periphery is a service road, which here you can see, and the till here is the vehicular zone. The vehicles will be stopped on the hostel gate and will be allowed only in special cases. And the rest is the pedestrian pathway. Different mediums for circulation are used. Thank you everyone. This is all from my side.